Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today we have got a simple and delicious recipe for you. Baked cauliflower. It's easy to make, full of flavor and perfect for any meal. Let's start by prepping the cauliflower. Cut it into bite-sized florets, making sure they are all about the same size. This will help them cook evenly later on. Don't worry if they are not perfect, it will still turn out delicious. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt into a pot of boiling water and boil the cauliflower for about 20 minutes. While the cauliflower is boiling, let's prepare the batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cracked eggs, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Whisk everything together until smooth and well combined. Once the cauliflower is cooked, check it with a fork to make sure it's tender. Now, take the boiled cauliflower and dip it into the batter, making sure it's fully coated. Place the coated cauliflower into an oven-safe dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle 200 grams of grated cheddar cheese on top. Pop it back in the oven and bake for another 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. And there you have it, delicious baked cauliflower ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.